landed 100 of 200 some punches when he was on the outside. He got his attention.
Tagged him, and if he doesn't land,
we're just finding home for that overhand right a little bit. Hand speed.
Plenty of heart, plenty of skill, and plenty of.
Bigger guy know that they're in there with a real fighter.
Well, so far, I think Khan's trainer Virgil Hunter has been
Amir's movement has to be purposeful. He remains in position
at the time. But he's getting older, and he's been caught tonight.
Capitol Heights, Maryland, very compactly built. Process here under 10 seconds as Russell Jr. attacking Gusev upstairs.
And that busy with their jab. I mean, he throws a lot of jabs.
Wow, that's Joe Cortez, Hall of Fame referee.
Single jabbing you a lot, you know, before.
So, interesting point. And there you saw three, you don't know, but look at that.
No, that was a right hand of the body and a right hand of the head and a left hand of the head. That's right.
Here's Russell Jr. putting the pressure. And
Russell Jr.
视频前的你，如果在男性持久力、勃起硬度等方面不满意，现在就加郭老师微信358-163-379，让郭老师帮助你持久坚挺，延时20到40分钟，补肾壮阳，延时助勃，增强夫妻性生活，28天彻底告别快男软男，做回自信的自己。记住微信358-163。